welcome back to another slime time. And this slime time, we just finished making the pink tabby logo for last slime time. Then there's the rock slime and the gold slime. So this time, I still have my brother here helping me. Say hi.
Hi.
And he's going to also think of a slime to do this time. So Aiden, what slime do you think we should do this time? Okay, so he told me the rad slime. So, the rad slime, while I'm drawing, I'm going to give a little description. The rad slime is a green slime that, it's just rad. It's radioactive too. So, since it's rad, for this slime time, I'm going to have a little bonus. So, I'm going to be downloading an image of, those meme glasses? Yeah, I'm going to get those. And then I'm going to put them on the rad slime. Images.
Oh no,
Hopefully I don't get a fake PNG.
A fake PNG?
Okay, let's see here.
Not the pink glasses.
This one looks good. I said this one looks good. No, I don't want to open the tab. Just give me the image. Or don't. Huh. Oh, there we go. Wait a second. Is that a fake PNG? I can usually spot a fake PNG when I see one.
Where's a fake PNG?
I think it's good. We'll have to test that theory. So now if I go back to slime time, I can go to add image and I just grab those. Oh god.
They're big.
And they're a fake PNG. Well then, I'm gonna try and find a non-fake PNG.
That one's big.
And I don't want one that has the little mark thing. Maybe this, wait. Oh, fake PNG. This is a fake PNG. Wait, is it? You know what? Maybe this one will work.
But it says PNG.
Yeah, that doesn't mean it's a fake PNG. Alright, there we go.
It's real.
Oh, it's a fake PNG. Let's see. Transparent background. No watermark. I have no idea if this is gonna work.
They look weird.
Hopefully these ones work. They could be fake, but boop. And they're fake. But I could There we go. So I'm just gonna real quick do this. So then it's like fine. I really hate when people do fake PNGs. That's stupid. I've had to deal with fake PNGs many times before, but it can lead to some pretty funny things.
Yes, yes it can.
This might take a little bit, so I don't really have a way to tell you where to skip to because I don't know when this will be done. So I guess you can like go get a snack or something. Speaking of which, I haven't had breakfast yet.
I had Lucky Charms for breakfast. Yum. Well, they don't look fake.
Well, I'm not done quite yet.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now you can zoom it out. Oh,
wait,
it looks
not
real.
not quite. Bloop, bloop,
Oh.
bloop, 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 bloop. There we go.
Whoa! They don't look fake anymore. They don't look fake at all.
Alright. And now I gotta make the radioactive field.
So like that kind of might be a little bigger.
There we go. Well, actually, there we go. Rad slime is finished. Well, actually, first okay, I need to do the plot, then it's finished. There, I said it. Alright.
You know what?
Boom, 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 boom.
Looks like a diamond.
Boom. And now I go down to 2 pixels. Grab white. Boom. 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 And boom. Alright. That is the rad slime done. And he's not only radioactive, he's literally rad. I think. Okay, so next time is going to be the last time for a little bit that I'm gonna have my brother helping me.
Yep.
So, and he's going to be making his own video once that video comes out.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment about what you thought of the video, and have a great time. Bye!